Welcome back. This is a new episode. Of course, this is always easy coding for beginners, and my name is Sam. I'm glad that you've joined us in this new episode. We're going to focus on the anchor tag or the A tag. So basically, the A tag or the anchor tag is used to create a link within the document or another document elsewhere. In the head document, what we can compare it with is the link tag in the head tag. You remember when you tackle the link tag? You can click on this link if you've not watched the link tag. In the head tag, we talked about the link tag, but that was linking another external resource to be used in this particular HTML document. Now, the difference between that link tag with the anchor tag is basically used for hyperlinking. And hyperlinking basically is linking a page, basically a web page, to these HTML documents. So it can be even within the same document. We'll learn how to do this at some point. Or it can be an external web page. It's not a style sheet, it's not a JavaScript file, but a web page. That is the only difference. So let's go to the Sublime editor, open your normal file, the my first HTML project.html. Type the following command. $, open the A tag. We will use an attribute called href. In the link tag, we saw how href was used to create a link to the external resource. So the same way we used href in the link tag is the same way we'll use href in the A tag, where we'll create a link to another web page. The only difference in this case is we are linking to a web page and not a style sheet or a JavaScript resource file. So type $A, A meaning anchor tag. Then within it, type href. Before you close the opening tag, the opening A tag, type href is equals to double quotes, and within the double quotes type http ://www.skyzone.co.ke. Close the double quotes, then space, type target is equals to double quotes. Within the double quotes type _blank. So this basically shows that if you click on this link, it will open on a new tab or a new browser, so that you don't leave the page that you are actually accessing it from. So I want you to go and do more research on the attributes that will actually occur within the A tag. We've talked about the href, and right now you've seen another one called target that I've just explained what it does. I want you to go and do more research on other attributes that will be used within the anchor tag. Find it within your own time to practice how to use those attributes within your HTML document. So once you've closed the double quotes, go and close now the opening tag with a greater > sign, as you can see on my screen. Then type the name Skyzone Space Communications. Of course, you know what Skyzone Communications is. It's a digital marketing agency that helps you do your websites, your coding projects, and also some bit of digital marketing. I want you to close the A tag. Then with that, we've already created a hyperlink. So I want you to save your document, go to your browser. You can see the word Skyzone Communication as a link. It has an underline. So I'll click on it. When I click on it, you'll be able to see that it's opening on a new tab, and it's opening our website www.skyzone.co.ke. So that is how we create links. That's how we create hyperlinks. If you want to create a link within a document, I want you to go and do research and see how you can create a link within that same HTML document. I'll give you a tip. You have to use the hashtag. So I want you to go and do your own research and see how you're going to create a link, or rather hyperlink, within that same document. Let's say you are the header, the top section of your HTML document on the browser, and you would want to access some section that is at the bottom. How do you do that? I would want you to go and do research. I've given you a tip. You have to use a hashtag and something else. Do that in your research. So it is my hope that you've learned one or two things in this particular episode of the anchor tag. And until next time, kudos.